I'm Virginia Adams, and I'm from Lancaster, South Carolina, and I would recommend Joe Hamilton. I would like to tell you what happened to me one afternoon when I had been out about taking care of some chores, and I noticed by my gas gauge that I needed to stop and get some gas. So I stopped at this crossroads to get some. And so I got my gas and I went inside to pay for it. Well, by the time I come back out, the cars that were parked there at the door were gone. And the next thing I realized, I was tripping over something. And there was nothing I could do to stop it. So I threw my hands up in front of my face so I would fall on my hands. So when I hit the concrete, I hit it pretty hard. And every bone in my body felt like it just shook. And I just laid there in agony pain. And there were people that was there that saw me when I fell, and they came over to me. And by that time, the lady that owned the store, I looked and she was there too. And they offered to help me up, but I just couldn't get up. So they did. They helped me get up, and they wanted to know if I wanted to go to the hospital, and I said no, not now. That I just want to get to my car. So I got home, and I got in the house, and I took me something for pain, and I got on the sofa. And later on, I called down there to the lady that owned the store to tell her that that she needed to report this to her insurance company as an accident because I was going to need to go to the doctor. Well, she was trying to avoid me and wouldn't give me no information. And she said she would, and then she wouldn't. So the next day, I was hurting so bad that I had to go to the doctor. So I called my neighbor and asked her if she would drive me because I just wasn't able. I had some sprains and whatnot, and he put braces on my arms and shots in my legs and pain pills. And I called the lady again to see if I could get some information from her about her insurance company. Still wouldn't give me no information concerning them. So I figured that she was going to be hardball. So I decided I probably was going to have to get me an attorney. I didn't want to do that. I just wanted her to let her insurance pay for me getting hurt. And I went uptown, and I was going to hunt me a lawyer that would represent me. And I happened to be over there. I drove on the street over there where the family courthouse is. And I saw this law firm right there on the corner. And I said, well, I think I'll try those people. I've never had been in there before, but I thought I'd go in there and talk to them. So I went in, and I got an interview right then. The people was really nice, real friendly. And I saw Joe Hamilton. I was very impressed with him. He seemed to be very knowledgeable. He listened to me, heard my case, and he did agree that I needed to be compensated for my injuries and that he would take care of everything. So I felt that I had a real good reputation as far as an attorney. And so I left feeling better about that. So he took the case and he did everything. And he settled it for me, and I was very impressed with him and his office and the way and the work that they did. And I would recommend him to anyone because I have found that he was very honest and he was right there when you need him.
Is there anything that you would like to say that we haven't covered?
Just can't say enough good stuff about him. And the reception, she is a baby. She is a good girl. That really impressed me. And Joel, he's top of the line. And I have never had a lawyer as good as he is. Now, he was really good. I mean, they even came to, the reception came to see me in the hospital. And they sent me not one get well card, they sent me 2. I ain't had a lawyer to do that before.
Makes a difference, doesn't it?
It does. Makes you feel like family. It does. It doesn't make you feel like they're just out for the money. Because I've had lawyers in the past, they're just there for the money, But I didn't have that feeling with Joel.